Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I absolutely love the look of an old apothecary card catalog, and this one from Primo Supply absolutely blew me away.
I have been dreaming my entire life of having a card catalog like they used to have in the library. And when this arrived on my doorstep, I was so happy. And my friends who were over were so jealous of me with this. I love doing little collages in a scrapbook, and this was the perfect thing to store all of my different stickers and glue sticks and pieces of paper, and it really is just so beautiful. I cannot get over how perfect this thing is. It is made so well. It is installation free, so it arrived perfectly put together. It has really spacious drawers. They have 8 that will fit smaller items and 2 on the bottom that are larger. It is the perfect thing if you are someone who loves the library look, dark academia, and organizing. It is the perfect item for you.
This is exactly what I've been wanting for years. I couldn't be more happy with it. And if you have been looking at it and wanting it too, you should absolutely get it. It is so perfect. And that's my point of view.